Hi friends, today for writing we're going over a quick grammar lesson. Today's lesson is talking about using different kinds of sentences. Let me explain. The title of our chart is Connect to Writing Using Different Kinds of Sentences. Here's our explanation. Using different kinds of sentences makes your writing more interesting to read. You can change one kind of sentence to another by moving or adding words. So here we have some examples of some sentences that say the same thing in different ways. So a command is telling you to do something. So this purple sentence says hit a home run. That's a command. If I want to tell someone to do something, I could tell them to hit a home run. Or I could have a statement. That's a regular sentence that we would normally write. And this blue sentence says the batter hit a home run. I could put that in my writing. It's not super interesting, but I could use it. Or I could write a question. Did the batter hit a home run? And don't forget, if we write a question, it can make our writing more interesting, but we always have to use a question mark to make sure that people understand that we wrote a question. Or we can use an exclamation. These are my favorite. Wow, the batter hit a home run. And you'll notice here that exclamation has an exclamation mark, and that means that somebody was excited about what they were writing. These are 4 different types of sentences that can be written, and sometimes using questions or exclamations or even commands can make our writing sound more interesting than if we just wrote all statements. Today in Seesaw, you have an activity that asks you to pick some sentences that maybe you can change out in a short little paragraph, and you're going to pick the best way to change those sentences. And then you are going to write me 2 or 3 sentences to answer a question. So I want you to head over to Seesaw and get started on your writing for today. Good job, friends.